Howdy, folks. We are live at 9:52, battling for Conn's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Sludgemobile. There it is. Bebop, boogieing along. I got 15 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 15. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. I got a 4 there, so I'm rolling again. I got a 4 again, just a different way. We'll keep rolling. We got a 10, which means we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Let's get to it. Huh. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. The randomizer appears to have frozen on me. Interesting. I'm going to refresh and see what happens. Okay. I'm going to go back to random, as we didn't really run anything here. Copy the list again and give it another try. Paste the list in here. Paste the list in here. 15 entries. Sludgemobile by Conn. We already determined that it would go 10 rounds, so just in the interest of fairness, I'll keep that the same. And here we go. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's get down to business. Yep, Jimmy takes round 1. And round 2. Salvador, round 3. Mark takes round 4 with number 9. Steve, round 5. Steve, round 6. Jimmy, round 7. Jimmy, round 8. Jason in the top spot for our next to last round, round 9 with number 12. And our winner is Jason Lee Hassel in at number 12. Congrats, Jason. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. MCCJRS. Jason Hassel in at number 12 is the victor. And I am at long last done at 9:55. There you have it. One last time, here's the results. Jason in at number 12 is the winner. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thank you.